motherfucking Mac, pretty Tony. Currency exchange and reality check for phonies. 3 MJs with the fame, yeah, they on me. Got the Jacksons, the Jordan, Mary Jane, she's my homie. I'm about the movement, believe it, I'ma make it. I got the skills, potential, and shot, just gotta take it. Trey Ball, Steph Curry, I'm a warrior. I do the shit so my moms never have to worry, boy. I'm a boss, monkey see, monkey do. I'm on the planet of the apes, what the fuck are you? I'm trying to get it, cause believe Kaden with it. And if it ain't about the money, all my crew omit it. I'll admit it, your jealousy helped me rise. Nigga, this ain't improv, don't act like you surprised. I'm on the moon, light years past the skies. I'm a boss with my team at my side, yup. They say that we can do it, we can't go for long. Then we broke up in the building and we shut this place down. They said that we were messing, we couldn't go for long. We ain't stopping till the fat lady sings. We gon' rock this bitch forever like, oh, yup, yup. We gon' rock this bitch forever like, oh. We gon' rock this bitch forever like. It's been a lot of hating, I really needed that. And all they fucking expectations, I exceeded that. Y'all ain't the brightest, a nigga could've told you, but I shine bright, I got the lights, Ellie Golden. I remember you wouldn't accept a nigga, they will routinely bully, attack and stress a nigga, but that's cool. It motivated me to write raps, I'm the shit. Siamese twins couldn't think twice about that. Yeah, believe I'm in this shit to win it. I'm a motherfucking tracks, that nigga beat me to the finish. Watching niggas diminish up, cause I'm on high. All of these fit it, cause fast don't lie. Failure, best believe that don't exist. Took a look up in the mirror, I ain't seen better since cease and desist. Hating my reward is worth the risk. I'm killing the rap game like Jeffrey Dahmer got the shit. That we can do it, we can't go for long. Then we broke up in the building and we shut this place down. They said that we were messing, we couldn't go for long. We ain't stopping till the fat lady sings. We gon' rock this bitch forever like, oh, yup, yup. We gon' rock this bitch forever like, oh. We gon' rock this bitch forever like.
Hold on with your bro on, talk shit, yeah, go on. Flow Dawn, co-host your show and make it blow off. I be rapping solo, but kick it at the dojo. Make the world hear some words and I ain't even need no promo on. The coin flipper, I flip heads, lame niggas gon' call feds. I ain't worried about no rappers, kill niggas, enough said. Respect all my moves, or I'ma piss on y'all beds and then call your mama. Ass whooping drama, she blamed you for what I did. Yes, I did what I did. No emotion up in the money, leave it home when you do biz. Fat lady, them fat stacks, nigga, these will make your mirror break. All the flows available, and this to one you couldn't take. It's King Mitchell, so official, what's good, Kate? Paper chasing, I'm wood cutting, the bank vacant. All my niggas spit bullets, please take your ass to the safe haven. Shark skin, jaw shit, all King mixtapes clean.
We can go for long. Then we broke up in the building and we shut this place down. They said that we were messing, we couldn't go for long. We ain't stopping till the fat lady sings. We gon' rock this bitch forever like, oh.